Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. So, here in this video, we're going to be looking at top 5 soft skills with huge growth in demand on Fiverr marketplace. So, usually there are lots of skills of services on Fiverr which you can actually jump into, but these are the top 5 skills that I think it's actually high in demand and people are actually looking forward to hire a professional to do any of these 5 skills for them, and they are ready to pay any amount of money. And trust me, in any of these 5 skills, it's guaranteed that they're going to be making nothing less than $5,000 per month. If you jump into any of these skills right now, you're going to be making lots of money. And I also say that most clients that are hiring a freelancer on any of these 5 skills are kind of like a business owners who are actually looking forward to grow their business, and they actually want a top-notch stuff for their business, so they are ready to pay any amount of money to get the best for their business. So what are all these skills that I'm mentioning in this video? So kindly smash on the subscribe button to keep on getting new video from this channel, and also don't forget to like this video at the end of watching this video. So what is the first skill we'll be looking out to? The first skill we'll be looking out to is promotional video ads. What is promotional video ads? Promotional video ads are people who actually design a video for a business who is looking out to promote their business or a product online or anywhere. So what they do is producing video for a product or a service or a business, to be precise. So, and you can see this particular gig here. So this person is designing video ads for business owners who are actually looking forward to increase their sales and or to showcase more information about a product or business or information about the business they are actually into, so that the potential clients will be able to understand what their business is all about. And as you can see, the basic price of this gig is around $250, and on the standard one we have $800 as well as $1,200. So with this kind of project or service, if you get at least 5 or 6 projects, you know how much you are going to be making with that kind of amount. This is kind of different from a service whereby you are offering a service of $10, $20, $30. So it will take you a lot of time before you can actually make a lot of money that you are actually expecting. So it is just for the first service and can actually jump into if you actually want to start making a lot of money on Fiverr. So, and if you want to learn more about how to do a promotional video ads, you can just jump into YouTube here and search for how to create a promotional video. So I think you'll be learning about video editing and all. So you can also jump on Coursera or udemy.com to find a right course that will definitely help you to be a professional in any of these skills. So this is just the number 1 skills you can actually jump into to start making a lot of money on Fiverr. Number 2 is creating social media content for business owners. What do you need and how will you get started? So there are a lot of business owners who are actually looking for a professional one who can design a promotional video for their business. So once you are a professional in this, definitely you're going to make a lot of money from business owner and even personal page, because you are going to be managing their channel as well, maybe on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis. So this all depends on the kind of package you have and how you plan to work with your potential clients. So on this particular gig, the basic package is around $1,250, and you can see the standard as well as the premium. So imagine you have like 5 projects down from this kind of projects on this kind of gig, so you know how much you'll be making. And this is not how you can actually get started. You can also start from lower, then you grow up gradually, and before you know, you are already a boss in that niche. So if you are just starting, I suggest you just start with a basic package of $15 to $20, then maybe $50 for the standard, so then the premium one may be $100. So it actually depends on what you'll be doing, on what each gig actually covers. So I can force you to do or offer a service on a kind of amount that it doesn't please you, or working as a slave for a potential buyers. So just make sure you offer the best service and best price on any of the service you're actually offering or offering on the Fiverr marketplace, so that the buyer will be able to click on your gig. As you can see on this basic package, this is just to get the attention of the buyers. So you can see the basic package and the standard is off different. So because if you're offering a basic package for $15 and you just jump into $100 straight from the standard, so it doesn't correlate and it's far away, like it's very far. So but then you know your way through what you actually need and how you can actually get started on what needs to be done. So this is just the second high in demand skill on Fiverr, which you can actually jump into and start making money online. So the third one is logistic website creation. So you all know that website creation is actually high in demand, and as you can see on the Fiverr homepage here, this is website design. This is WordPress. It's very high, as you can see. It's very high in demand, and if you jump into it, you'll be able to make a lot of money. And this is also a new seller who is just starting out to be a professional logistic website design. So, and you can see the price as he or she just started. Okay, it's E. So as he just started offering the service on Fiverr marketplace. So this is the startup package, this is the standard package, and this is the premium package. So once you grow up, you can just level up your pricing, then before you know, you started making a lot of money on Fiverr marketplace. So this particular seller also have two others in queue with over 100 reviews on the gig. So, and I guess you also have some other gigs below. Maybe let's try to check and see if we have some other gigs below. And yes, he also have some other gigs and he's making the best as it is. So this is a third service that is high in demand skill, a service on Fiverr market, which you can actually jump into and start making money on the platform. So the number 4 high in demand skill is 3D card modeling. What is 3D card modeling? These are the kind of people that design 3D printing for business owners or personal use on its own. And as you can see, these are the kind of like 3D modeling that I'm talking about. You design a structure for a product, then your client will just jump into it and make that kind of product for them. So you can see how it looks like. So these are the 3D modeling. So this person designed this for a client, and this is what they will just jump into and do on as a physical product. So you can see this one. So you can see this. So, and there is a lot, and you can see this USB. It looks amazing. So you can see this one too. I don't know what this is. I think it's barcodes. I can see this. I think this is kind of like something that they use for massage and or maybe in a spa. So, and this person just start from scratch, which is $5 for the basic package, and you can see he have 10 others in queue with over 200 reviews on this account. So you also have the basic standard package and sell as the premium package. So let's say once you grow up, you can also increase your gig pricing to any amount you actually like. So just as you can see on this particular gig, so the basic package is $550, standard is $800, and the premium is $1,500. So imagine just getting like a premium order of like 5, so you know how much you'll be making. I don't actually need to calculate that for you. So this tricycle actually makes sense. I like it. So, and you can see this is the illustration on how it looks like. So you can see this is how the process go. This is all the whole process on designing that tricycle. So, and this is all what you will get if you hire someone to design something for your product or a service you actually want to get way off. So, and you can see how it actually looks. So 3D CAD modeling is just the fourth skills and the fourth high in demand skill you can just jump into. And with any of these skills I'm mentioning in this video, there are courses online that you can actually jump into and start learning. So either you go on udemy.com or you go on coursera.com, or even search for any of these courses on YouTube. So you'll be able to find a lot of courses which will guide you through the whole process on how you can actually get started. Even if you have no idea on how to do any of these skills, they are going to help you with the whole process, and you'll be able to be a professional in that particular skill. So this is just for the number 4 high in demand skill, which are very, very soft. You can actually just jump into. So which one is the number 5 high in demand skill we will look into in this video? This is NFT art design. So literally back in some months ago, I'm very sure I can't rest on the way NFT is actually trending, but now it's very, very I think it's hard for NFT to even fast rise or to even get a lot of people attention, because I guess there is a market downfall in NFT and maybe in crypto entirely. So, and I guess this is also about crypto and everything. So I actually have no much idea in the NFT space, but I know that it's worked along with all this crypto stuff. So, and it's very, very high in demand. Like months ago, very like a seller or a freelancer on Fiverr will also charge $5,000 to $10,000 to design an NFT art. So imagine that people hiring you and they keep on coming. Once they make money from that NFT art you design for them, you are going to make a lot of money in that particular skill. So NFT art is still a skill that you can also jump into right now, and you're still going to make money. And as you can see, there's still some others on the space, and it's not it's still a great way to make money. Like, it's still a great way to make money if you actually want to jump into it. But had it been you know about this before, you'd have just been making a lot of money offering this service on Fiverr marketplace. But as of now, I guess it's actually not trending as before again, due to the market issue, and probably it might still boom and you still make a lot of money. And if you actually want to jump into it, this is the right time for you to also jump into it and be able to make money on any of these skills. So we have talked about the 5 skills you can actually jump into to start making a lot of money on Fiverr, which the first one is promotional video art, the second one is social media content creator, then the third one is logistic website creation. So, and if you actually know your way through it, this logistic website creation, you are going to make a lot of money if you have idea of how to do keyword research. So because keyword research is the best way to make fast money as a website designer, because website design service is high in demand, and there are thousands of sellers on Fiverr on its own, not to talk about another freelancing website. So if you just jump into it and do your research on keywords to input on your gig, so you are going to make a lot of money with this. So the fourth one is 3D CAD models design. So, and the fifth one is NFT art creation. So these are the soft high in demand skill you can actually use to make nothing less than $5,000 per month if you know your way through it. I'm not talking about if you are a newbie on freelancing space, or if you are a newbie on any of these skills, I'm talking about a professional who know his or her way through on how to design or how to offer any of these services, as I mentioned. So this is all for you in this video. If you have any question regarding any of this skill or freelancing on its own, so you can drop your comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.